Hi, and welcome to the Networking Basics course. Thank you for choosing this course. I am truly honored. You had a lot of options out there that you could have choose from, and you decided to choose this course. I truly believe after finishing this course, you will have mastered the networking basics. Here's some information about me and why I believe I can help you master the networking basics. Here are the objectives of the course and what we will learn during the entire time together. After you finish this course, you'll be able to identify networking cable, identify the networking racks, identify the different types of tools used in networking, and how to utilize these tools to troubleshoot common network errors. Again, thank you for choosing this course. I truly believe you're going to learn a ton, and I hope it is rewarding for you and it allows you to be successful. So, without further ado, let's move forward to the next video. We'll see you in that lecture, and thanks again for choosing this course.